how to draw a Halloween jack-o'-lantern. First, boys and girls, you need a white piece of paper. Next, I want you to use a pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can erase. And you're going to draw a large circle. Just do the best you can. At the top in the middle, we are going to draw a rectangle for the pumpkin stem. We are now going to draw the eyes of our jack-o'-lantern. We are going to draw triangles. A triangle has 3 sides, so draw 2 triangles for the eyes. In the middle, I want you to draw a circle for the jack-o'-lantern's nose. For the mouth, we're going to draw a semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. See the straight line? Boys and girls, we are going to draw 3 squares hanging from the straight line. And these 3 squares are going to represent teeth. So remember, your squares have 4 equal sides. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to use the yellow marker and color inside the different shapes. First, let's color the 2 triangles. The 2 triangles represent the jack-o'-lantern's eyes. And just to review, a triangle has 3 sides. Now let's color the circle. The circle represents the nose. Now, boys and girls, I want you to be very careful. You are going to be coloring around the 3 squares, which are the 3 front teeth. Color in that whole semicircle with yellow. Boys and girls, next you need to get your orange. I'm going to take my orange marker and trace around the line for the pumpkin's face. And if I make a mistake like I'm doing, all I do is fix it. So don't worry if you make a mistake. Just fix it, because mistakes are easy to fix. Then you're going to shade in all of the pumpkin. Carefully color around those shapes. You don't want to color over the yellow. You want to color around the yellow shapes. So I made a mistake here because I'm going so fast, so I'm going to correct it. I'm going to blend that line into that outer line so you wouldn't even know I made a mistake. So that's what you have to do, boys and girls, when you make a mistake. So keep on shading in our jack-o'-lantern. Right here, you have to be careful when you shade in those teeth. Remember, the teeth are 3 squares, and squares have 4 equal sides. Boys and girls, get your black. We are going to trace around our shapes now. We're going to trace around the triangle, which represents what? Yes, the eyes. Now trace around the circle, which represents what? The nose. And carefully trace around the semicircle. Now watch how I do it. I go underneath each square so we can really see those 3 teeth. Good job, boys and girls. I'm going to trace around that outside line again with the black marker so that our pumpkin face really stands out. It makes the face kind of jump out at us, boys and girls. Now I'm going to take my green marker and trace around the rectangle and fill it in. And it represents the stem of our jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to get my orange and go over those light spots that I have in my jack-o'-lantern so it looks nice and smooth. So this is what I want you to do, boys and girls. Press down harder or color in all your white spots so your jack-o'-lantern will look better. I don't like to have a white background, so boys and girls, I'm going to get a blue crayon and I'm going to shade in the background. It's going to be a contrast from the markers. And it makes our jack-o'-lantern's face pop out even more, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great time drawing and coloring this jack-o'-lantern, boys and girls, because I'm having a great time doing it with you. Have a happy Halloween, boys and girls!